Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the rear differential gear oil on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. This is going to apply to all 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma rear differentials. For this demonstration, we're going to be using one of our convenient Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits featuring Revinol gear oils. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of gear oils that's in accordance with the Toyota recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil specifications for all 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma rear differentials. To learn more about the proper Toyota Tacoma rear differential gear oil specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and performance benefits when using our convenient pre-assembled Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, we'll leave a link in the description below. So let's get started. Begin by confirming that the rear differential is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Toyota Tacoma rear differential gear oil changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle using an SAE-approved automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, locate the rear differential fluid fill plug. This is located on the rear right side of the differential. Loosen and remove the fill plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction using a 24mm socket and ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the differential fluid confirms you have a way to refill the differential in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the differential fluid drain plug. This is on the lower right corner of the differential. Loosen and remove the drain plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction using a 24mm socket and ratchet, allowing the old gear oil to thoroughly drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Next, using a rag, clean the drain and fill plugs from excess corrosion and debris. Next, reinstall the differential fluid drain plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 24mm socket and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 36 foot-pound torque specification. Next, begin filling the differential with the recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the differential fluid fill port. This is between 2.9 to 4 liters, depending on the exact year or rear differential type optioned in your Toyota Tacoma. For more information on the recommended Toyota Tacoma rear differential fluid fill capacities, see our blog. With the rear differential fluid level full, you can reinstall the fill plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 24mm socket and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 36 foot-pound torque specification. Next, using a rag, clean and remove any excess fluid from the rear differential fluid drain and fill plug areas. The differential should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will later help when inspecting and confirming that the rear differential does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change and test drive. So that is a quick overview on how to change the rear differential gear oil on the 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models. If you have any other questions or for more information on our Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, or any other high performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, or transfer case fluids for your Toyota Tacoma, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.